Yo, what's good? Go Street fan. Welcome to Go Street English, where we level up your English with GTA San Andreas vibes. Today, we're rolling through Los Santos to master 5 everyday slang phrases to sound like a pro. Whether you're chatting with homies or flexing on TikTok, these American English phrases will make you shine. Say let's roll. Smash the like button and let's hit the streets. Siege is back in Los Santos. Streets buzzing with action. To sound like a pro, you gotta talk smooth, IRL or online. We're dropping 5 slang phrases for speaking practice, packed with real-life American English vibes. Try with me, fam? Let's run this mission. What's poppin'? Siege is rolling up to talk slang. Checking the vibe with the crew. Say it. What's poppin'? Hit it, fam. Means what's happening or what's going on. A casual greeting. Let's roll with real-life users. At the mall, a friend says, "Hey, what's poppin'? You shopping today?" Texting your buddy, "What's poppin'? You free tonight?" At the cafe, you ask, "What's poppin' here? Any new drinks?" Your turn. Drop "What's poppin'" to kick off a combo. Go. You're vibing. Use "What's poppin" to spark a chat. Like this, hit that like. That's fire. CJ's hopping in Siglo Rider, looking dope at the Los Santos car show. Shout it. That's fire. Let's roll. Means that's awesome or that's amazing. Time to cruise with everyday uses. At a concert, you yell, "This song is that's fire." Scrolling TikTok, "Yo, this dance is that's fire." At a sneaker store, "These kicks are that's fire." Your turn. Say that's fire to hype something cool. Flex it. Fire. Use that's fire for anything dope. Subscribe to keep it lit. I'm game. Serious hyped. Ready to ball with the Los Santos crew. Yell it, "I'm game." Bring it, fam. Means I'm ready or I'm up for it. Let's hit the streets for real uses. Plan a hike. You say, "I'm game. Let's hit the trail." At game night, "I'm game for poker. Deal me in." Texting the squad. Karaoke. I'm game. Your mission? Drop "I'm game" to join the fun. Go big. Use "I'm game" to jump in. Comment your favorite phrase below. Hang on. Serious hitting balls? Rethinking a sketch of Los Santos still. Holler? Hang on. Say it loud. Means wait a second or hold on. Let's gear up for real world examples. On a call, you say, "Hang on, I'm grabbing my keys." At the store, "Hang on, is this on sale?" Meeting friends, "Hang on, I forgot my jacket." That's the move. Use "hang on" to slow things down. Stay locked in. Crushed it. Series is smoking the competition, dominating the Los Santos race. Shout it, crush it. Let's try. Means did it really well or succeeded big time. Let's win rubber with these uses. At work, you cheer, you crush it on that project. After test, "I crushed it, got an A." On X, your post crushed it, viral vibes. Your turn, say crush it to hype your win, go all out. You're killing it. Use crush it for big wins. Ready for more? Mission complete, Cover Street fam. You've mastered 5 slang phrases to sound like a pro. What's poppin'? That's fire. I'm game. Hang on and crushed it. Practice this to own any combo. Check another banger. Learn English with GTA San Andreas. A speaking practice as slang to sound native. For more slick slang. And CJ on the road. Links below. Smash a like, subscribe for more GTA English lessons, and comment your favorite phrase. What's next in Go Street? Drop your ideas. Catch you on the streets.